Kumar, can you just give us a summary of Hyderabad, of Telangana, the state, Andhra Pradesh, because these were the two states accused of having wasted the maximum amount of vaccines?
To the credit of Telangana, Sanket, in fact, they have put out figures very, very clearly and not using their own figures, but the figures available with the central government in the CoWIN software, in the Evin software, and saying that their wastage is in fact not as pointed out 17%, but about 1 to 2%. They have been steadily showing us the figures about how much they have received, how much has been used, and this is all figures that have to be collated with the central government. Second, coming to the question of shortages, yes, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy had asked, in fact, the central government to supply them with 25 lakh doses of vaccine. We had reported that Nellore, West Godavari, several centers had in fact closed down because there were no vaccines. And after the video conference, he had written to the central government asking for those vaccines. And yet, first day of vaccination, he had said we are going to do 8 lakh during this Tika Utsav, but that's not what happened. 56,000 is the day numbers that they did on day one, and just about less than 6,000 is what we understand happened on the second day, because vaccines were actually not available. But yes, when I contacted the health department, they did tell us that they're going to be getting 4.4 lakh doses of vaccine. Ironically, 2.4 lakh from Pune and 2 lakh from Bombay, from where also we have been in fact reporting shortages, I guess. On the other hand, in Telangana, again, Telangana's Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar wrote saying that we are run out of vaccines completely, and we are, going to be having only 2 days of vaccines or 3 days of vaccines. He said that on Saturday, and they had big plans for Tika Utsav once again. In fact, Ugadi falls tomorrow, and they said even on Ugadi day we'll be working because we want vaccination as a priority. They said we will have 100% of our frontline workers also getting vaccinated. But yes, once again they were very, very short of vaccines, and that's one reason why they asked for an emergency tranche. And just now I've got a message from the health secretary saying that they have received their 4.62 lakh and therefore they should be doing good. But yes, we had reported last week that less than 50% of the frontline workers have been vaccinated. The Chief Minister reacted and said that in this week, in one drive, we are going to finish 100% vaccination among frontline workers. But this is what we found at a center right in the heart of Hyderabad. Rush of GHMC sanitary workers at a government school in Mushirabad that has been converted into an exclusive vaccination center for frontline workers. NDTV had reported last week that less than 50% of the frontline workers have got vaccinated. Subsequently, the Chief Minister had said that within a week, 100% of the frontline workers must be vaccinated. But you can see the mad rush that is happening here. This is inside the vaccination room that we are talking about, and a huge number of people here waiting here. And if actually Nagraj pans outside, you will see there are more people here as well, rushing at the door, waiting that their turn should come in for the vaccination itself. No social distancing at all. Yes, they are wearing a mask, but some of them are not either. And I will also show you that the vaccine stock has actually run out. The sister here tells us that she had come with about 130 doses of the vaccine, and she's left with hardly about 20-25 doses now. And how is she going to vaccinate all these people? That's going to be a big challenge. The vaccination center itself has become a COVID risk with the crowding.
फिर अब भिजाए तो कैसे मैडम लोगों में फिर कोरोना ज्यादा होता ना और टीका लेने के वास्ते ही चाहिए मैडम हम सुबह से यहीं छिटाए रहे खाना नहीं क्या भी नहीं पानी भी नहीं है यहाँ क्या
Many anxious sanitary workers had to return disappointed.
अभी थोड़ा वैक्सीन है अभी 20 जनों को आता लेकिन ये उन लोग नहीं सुन रहे ऐसा ऊपर ऊपर गिर जा रहे कितना 200 बार बोले लेकिन इन लोग सुने ही नहीं रहे.
The Telangana government had on Saturday said they are running out of vaccine and asked for 30 lakh doses. The center has promised to deliver 3.62 lakh doses on Monday. It's Ugadi festival, but still there is going to be a huge rush. The vaccinators, the nurses, all of them are going to continue with the vaccination drive because a more important Tika festival is on in the country. A drive in order to vaccinate the maximum numbers, but the problem has become the short supply of the vaccine itself. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.